Benevolence centers around trust and the relationship that when parents send their children to school, the teacher will take care of them. Trust is the key word. I would say trust is the key for all of these attributes presented in the article. Respect is necessary from both teacher and parent to ensure a benevolent relationship is established. In my school, it is very obvious which teachers have established this with parents and which ones have not. Fortunately, I think this is done very well in my school. If teachers are warm and welcoming, then the parents typically feel good and respected. Even the teachers who are a little more strict have a way of creating this respect as well. To get respect, you have to show it. This goes for classroom management as well. In regards to improvement in what I would do as the leader, I would continue to encourage the concept of respect and ask to be involved in parent-teacher conferences with teachers as a support, particularly for those teachers that may struggle with establishing benevolence. Honesty is essentially the worth of your words. Do you follow through with commitments and what you say you are going to do? Teachers can fall short on this when they say all the right things to parents, but do not follow through. I've seen this especially with beginning teachers who either are unsure of what to do or they become overburdened with all the other responsibilities of teaching that they fall short on these commitments. For my school, the teachers that are in close contact with parents excel the most in this area. As an area of improvement, I would suggest coaching activities, scenarios at a staff meeting on best practices. For example, Johnny is struggling with reading. What are some strategies we can do at home? A role play activity that allows teachers to see this implemented would be beneficial. An open line of communication between school and home and teachers and parents keeps everyone on the same page, thus establishing the necessary trust and respect for effectiveness. I've seen on numerous occasions where an event, an activity, an important update was not communicated and parents were let down. Our school utilizes Alert Now messages via phone and texting, as well as teachers use a Tuesday folder communication method. Facebook is also used to communicate via a social media platform. I feel like with technology, the concept of openness is more evident. Overall, I feel like my school does a good job of this. As a leader, I would continue to use the technology available to create and continue the open line of communication. Based upon the reading, when I think of reliable, I think of the question, can I count on this person to do X, Y, Z? Can I count on this teacher to be there for my child? Can I count on this school to educate my child? We have some amazing teachers at our school who are beyond dedicated to the profession and their students. The majority of them put in the 200% each and every day to ensure this reliability piece. As a result, the trusting relationships are built between home and school. While staff quality plays a big role in this, so does the tone set by administration. As a school leader, it is my top priority to be reliable to the teachers that I serve. Modeling this best practice is the essence of this attribute. Competence. Are educators able and equipped to handle tasks, think on their feet, problem solve, all in the best interest of the students they serve? Parents and students alike can sense when something is fake or put on. I've always said that students are truly the best judge of character. They will call you out on something quick. As a mentor for beginning teachers, this is always a struggle for teachers. I encourage them that it is okay to not know something, that it is okay to admit when you are wrong. They struggle with this as a sign of weakness. They do not want students and parents to see them this way. As a result, they will go through with something incorrectly in efforts to save face. In the long run, though, this proves fatal. We all need a little extra grace sometimes. As a leader, it is important to say what you know and admit to what you don't. We can all learn from each other.